Good life. We got the dream team.
Yeah, right team.
We got the dream team. How much team?
One team.
And the real team.
Yeah.
And the other team fake. Fake like cartel color.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Party can work for the team, you know, yeah man, so we can do the thing proper for the team, man. More, you see me, more energy for the team. Dream team, more energy for the team, yeah man. Want to look at Kino, you want to work?
Yeah man, I walk up.
Yeah man, want to the ingredients and first, you know.
Sneeze and rice.
Yeah man, sneeze rice, man, cause you know why sneezing rice?
Yeah.
Whole heap of mixtures in it. Oh! Oh!
That's why I'm seasoning, I'm sneezing.
Yeah man, see there? Man, we coconut milk in it, you know?
Yeah.
Proper, fry up the seasoning and pumpkin and thing, and then I just mix up my coconut milk and chew up and make it go and simmer down and boil up, you know?
Yeah.
Start boiling down, I just throw some more water in there, you see what I say?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah man, then just, yeah man, drop in the noodle soup,
Noodle soup in it.
Yeah, because I do the cocked noodle. You see it, you cocked noodle, you know what I do, and the noodle soup.
Yeah, noodle
man,
soup.
don't throw the noodle soup now. You see what I say, whoa! Whoa! You see what I say?
Whoa!
Man, thank you man. Yeah man. This get look up gummy and spikes up night, you know, you must say, yeah. Butterbean and it can crush night, you know. Yeah man, you see me I say, butterbean, you see me I say, yeah man, people know on yourself, man. You see me I say, yeah man, if you have a, oh!
Little butter up on the side.
Butter up on the side, drop night and it's steaming, you know.
Yeah.
Black pepper up on the side too, you know. You hold it for black pepper, just look up.
Look out, yeah, big marrow.
Yeah man, you know, look up. Spice, go!
Italian spikes.
Italian spice. Oh, a specialist this.
Yeah.
Not use pepper.
It's a spice.
Look at this and you know, eat that for the party, you know.
Problem.
I say, yeah man. Is it so?
Problem.
Only by ingredients, like the yam and banana and everything there for your morning.
Yeah.
We could have some sprat, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, I show now I go on in the pot, you know.
Shit.
Watch it, poo.
Whoa.
Yeah man, shit, watch it, watch it. Watch them, poo.
Sneeze and rice.
Watch it, we go on people, tell me don't take a view, watch it.
Yeah. And that after.
Whoa! Yeah man, is it? Yeah man. Whoa, my Jenna. Yeah man, people look on it out there.
Yeah man, looking
good.
Jeez.
And the national dish, you know, people. And the national dish are chicken back or white rice, curry chicken back or white rice, and the national dish.
Yeah.
Sneeze rice we are dealing with.
Yeah, and a Caesar rice, a sneezing.
Yeah, kind of uptown the starfish in the night.
Yeah.
That's what, you see me, I'm showing the ingredients.
Yeah, vegetable and...
Yeah, vegetable and, you know, look at the ackee bar.
Carrot and everything, you know,
yeah,
and pumpkin.
Whoa, yeah, that, you know. Pumpkin, the people, pumpkin, you know. Pumpkin slice up, dice up everywhere.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, yeah, man, put a pumpkin in it, man. Watch it. Watch it. See it? I simmer down, you know.
Jeez.
Watch it. I simmer down with the ackee in it. I'm ready for throwing look more water in it yet.
You can go and dry
out. Go and dry down and look at them come so. Yeah, but look at water over it now and look more water upon it and get him proper down what I want him, you know. You see me I say? Check. I'm gonna get him a story him up here.
Yeah.
You get him a story him up here, because I know why. Just a simmer.
Yeah.
Because you're seeing.
Yeah.
I'm down and look more.
Before your story.
Yeah, from a story him up, I'm just drop look more water upon him, you know. Now him that, you know.
Yeah. Go.
Yeah man, you know tell the man, you see? Yeah man. Yeah man, people man, hold up our ingredients man. See them spikes there? Look at them again. Show them
there. The spikes them.
Yeah man, show them again man. Yeah man, people from now, you know. Yeah man. Butter bean, I'm a butter. You see, I'm a ackee, I'm a pumpkin. People want to go to my spikes on TV because a lot of people ask about it.
Yeah.
You see me? But I don't want to go for the book.
Yeah.
I'm going it straight. Yeah, my spikes are my spikes.
So when the book out, them can get them
yeah,
book.
man. People,
When the book release, then
when
they
the
get
book release,
Yeah.
I line it up, say them the book release. You see me? Holy pound I'll get my book out there and I see the page them, you know. Holy pa page and I go see.
What you mean?
Book soon come out.
Yeah.
Italian spikes.
Oh.
All different menu you never see.
God, though.
Yeah man, I go see tin
Boom.
mackerel. I go see butter bean. I go see butter.
Chicken back.
Chicken back.
Yes,
I go see
well,
chicken.
sorry, yeah.
Oh, I go see oxtail and I go see a chicken fried with oh, yo. I want to tell you the menu. Yeah man.
Yeah, man. Go and simmer down, you know.
Look up that water in there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. After now, I just come so. Look, you know, look, it's about now, I just chew him on top and
Decorate it.
yeah man. See me? People red, gold and green and that's the same way, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man, got sweet pepper in there, tomato, onion. You see me, I said pumpkin. Yeah, man, my pepper spikes in it. You see me, I said
Everything.
yeah, man, people are yo, John Ben only can't taste somebody through the camera. Rex only can't taste look like through the
Them
camera.
have to come visit the feast.
Yeah, man. When you visit the John, John. Visit the thing.
Man. Yeah, man.
And so I go on in my kitchen, but my kitchen have to up and date it first, you know? Yeah, because when I like these 10 people come in the kitchen up right, you know?
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah, man, if these 10 people come, at these 10 kitchen and I'll get alright,
Sure.
done this up.
Oh,
Yeah? Alright.
This.
Clean her out.
Oh.
Don't stir it again and come back again.
Alright.
And see it proper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, come see the red, gold and green proper in there, man. You see me?
Then
Yeah, man, you see me? I say, look at my water now, man, keep going.
simmer down.
Yeah, man. Not tough grain, it's a Shelly.
Shelly.
Yeah, man. Hey!
Goody.
Bro, man, fire underneath it, man. Alright, man. Yeah, man, Shelly, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I talk about, I mean, tell a Shelly nothing like tough and crunchy, you know? Because Shelly you get the right mile off it, you see?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
sure.
man. People, book a come on, hold yourself, man.
Straight.
Italian spikes. Yeah, man. Me have to ask you.
Ask careful, give me the laugh too. Fancy, you have to go jump. Yeah, show them the jump.
Look, reach them out.
So we have fancy cat in the place. As a toilet and bathroom and bill so.
Don't be ready.
Shows. House building yes, the house this you know. Oh Prince there. Whoa! Big artist.
I did there.
I saw the youth to the first one. One shop. Yeah. Oh. One shop is in the
Before and after.
sorry. This is how we deal with now, cream.
Well, dribble.
Well, Jimmy, see there? Yeah. And boss it down. Yeah. Tell the bathroom and tell it to be outside there, so.
The program, I saw the program set,
That's
Yeah. What the IT bathroom and same place, yes, sir.
best.
You know, glad to see you now come give the endorsement, you know. No bad. It's good.
Good life.
I have one beautiful one. First one be named Jinjin. Then no legs.
So I'm not going with a line of them.
Yeah, I see him when.
Please, I'm still going on.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, dream team. Prince Dream I come true. Yeah man, Prince in Dream I come true now.
How much you say?
All you get whenever you know.
So anyway.
Yeah, we got one to go.
Yeah. What was it? Yeah, the man who body not getting one. Entire bird. Are the man in the view?
I was sure why that one that time, you know. So we go across one time.
So then you know what's up.
Yeah.
But you're one.
Yeah.
Or someone else one.
Well, I think all the smart, you know.
One I get it.
Sure.
King Samba, one everything not going on.
Yeah. One way, Marvin Morgan. They're from day one from the dream team, you know. One team, you know. Make the youth them dream come true.
That's all the best.
That's it for them.
Yeah.
Cool man, the people them say. Say now show the people them the new year style again. We have a year style for them, you know. See
No, this is a hairstyle that I'm buy it.
Michael Jackson.
Oh, listen, man, you know. We're going to do a show that one night. Now come down here.
Yeah.
We're going to do a show that one night, but with a rush.
Yeah.
We'll get a year cut, but when we're going to them, say $2 grand.
Yeah.
For cut there, and we're told that I'm here.
See, a piece of it.
Half and so I'm going to get the rest of my company. Kind of like when we have someone else to stick with this. You know? One arm move.
What a move.
You can't do like this and not kind of ear and talk.
Sensor 40.
Sensor 40. But what's like? Like, what's that, man?
Yeah, real general sleep of Brazilian.
Yeah.
Boy, are you? Yeah.
Even though we have a name,
Yeah.
good people up there.
Yeah, for real.
So we can't use a name and judge people.
Definitely.
Because when I use a name and that's a boy, wouldn't go to them place there.
Yeah.
And them place where we come from.
True.
That's what I'm saying.
Good life.
Good life. So we got the dream team.
Yeah. Right team.
We got the dream team. The much team.
One team.
And the real team.
Yeah.
And the other team fake.
Oh.
Fake like cartel color.
And I chef this for the dream team.
The chef man?
Yeah, man. There you go.
So early.
Yeah.
So I come with the potter come on.
No, the pot. Oh, the pot come out now.
We can't
Caesar rice.
Caesar rice.
Oh, I can't butter.
No,
Sure,
I can butter bean, man.
Oh, yeah, butter.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
Man, only for spikes, you know.
Yeah.
I love it, man, fancy.
Italian spikes.
Yeah.
I love it, man, fancy.
But I love it.
Yeah, man, I love everything taste 2 spoon night, you know.
Oh, so you have the chef there, so. So I love the butter bean and ackee.
Yeah.
Whoa! Yeah.
I saw the chef go on.
Whoa!
Whoa. Yeah.
My Adi.
This is a Holly.
Oh, Ali.
Yeah, I'm a Holly.
That's it?
Yeah.
So,
Only part thing I get to man. We have it, man.
trench town.
Yeah.
One round.
Yeah.
But nobody tell you none, but tell you, come true. You know, so I laid that travel Panama with Maxi later, they are broke down and take back here. And I friend them, I said, we have done this, so I read my drive, so I should pass by the college for there with me. Nah, trouble. Get up.
One love.
And run away back.
It's true.
You see, my son, I'm going to tell you, no church town, a good place.
Yeah.
You see me?
Always.
People up here, a long time thing.
Yeah.
And you was a man the place. If you use that other man the place,
Yeah, straight.
let it go.
Yeah, they go.
Let it go.
And say, I worry about you want to take for the win and we'll do this what we are doing. You see me, I say, we sure say a lot of good people, because everybody are read from them out, you know.
Yes, sir, man.
You see, man, the people, them overseas watch the program and them contribute for what we are doing now, for the less fortunate then.
That flourish the way.
Yeah.
Overseas money.
Yeah. Make
Come
that
on, one room.
Yeah.
Come on, no one can do it.
Where is it? You want to do? Yeah.
Just one.
So like when you talk, it would have
If you attend us,
you could have done it.
COVID time, I'm not working out, going as I can't see.
Yeah.
I'm just begging no weight.
So you just want a one room.
One home.
That's all, you know.
Yeah.
So one day was IT, no fine security.
Yeah.
Can't have it back.
Rosary was there on us sometime and they are to the still.
Listen, man, the people, the roads have a video around the road right now.
Yeah.
Fire around.
Where's the Rosa video name?
Fire around, man.
Copies.
Millions.
Like a million.
You see me? Roads have and the things they make bus like on the TV show about the video that take you for
Different.
That's the people guy.
I tell you, all of them got put it on the TV show, whatever they have there, but the action be there. But I'm just saying, let's comedy about the man of all the action.
There's a style, road and when you see the car, them say Rosa, and them go, over here! Over here!
Action.
And it's coming, action coming, the man, we have the package, man.
So I'm have coming in and have the action all the time. Eddie Murphy.
Yeah.
Coming in action. Rosa, talent and can sing. Talented, man.
You hear me sing about Carola?
You have that too.
What did that, man?
For real?
One second. I know this girl, around, she named Carola. Why you, man? Why you, man?
Light come.
That's
Yeah, man. Yeah, light come. Turn it back out.
I don't know what she
Light
feel.
come.
Sorry.
Boss again, man. Why do you I say yo right now I'm boss already? And no boss again.
Yeah.
But you know, we like our system because it's not only about the facts of the island and elbow people. The man and all that trade as well, because man is taking to build a house.
Yeah.
And see take no lead.
Yeah. Teamwork, man.
Yeah. So the man with that, so they have a trade, they have a skill.
Yeah.
You know? I would not all is good.
Salitex.
What is the next?
Flag thing.
Oh, blind there, slam and blind.
Yeah.
But Jesus.
A zinc on top, man, them put it in
Yeah.
Keep the place more cooler, you know, concrete or more heat.
Now get your one room, you know.
Yeah, but you're right, because I mean, now when they come and spot out, they check say, eat a picture on top.
Think cool.
But it's cool, you know?
Because though it's set, you know.
Yeah, man, you can breathe up blowing.
But the concrete now, they feel the heat more and kick in, you know.
So as when come out time, yeah, you go in bathroom there, near God, It all set that way there, you know? Yeah.
From
At least the people in France, so it's the money I put to good use.
Yeah, definitely.
And a bleaching cream.
No.
And I'm a bleaching cream that I'm done in.
Yeah.
Can't say it.
I cement and concrete that was it.
Yeah, man.
Put your money to good use. Less fortunate you can do a thing. As I'm sure if I'm earlier to see it come from a little shock. While you so much shine out on the storage room.
Yeah.
There's a spot over and then the rain a fall. Now I leave.
Yeah,
Good to go.
Running and have a little. Good to go. That's all I can tell you.
I want the Panthers to bill already.
one of the Panthers.
So we said I want that. The most I've seen that other day.
Yeah.
So the money now I got to use. The money now I got to waste.
About the good
I
use.
got to more than good use. I help out who can help themselves.
Sure.
So
One time them send a donation for the chef, you know, food. You got paid. And them who put a big pot and cook and crack bone and them something, you know.
Jesus.
I still cook one
And
year.
still cook
I ain't
one,
gonna lie with that.
cook on over there, man. It seems like when you have to get the one room, you can cook again.
Yeah, man.
Keep supporting, that's all that.
Yeah.
Keep the support. Tell a friend for tell a friend for tell a friend.
And tell our next friend.
Just keep on telling them friends.
Yeah. And then friend them just, yeah.
Subscribe, tell a friend and see what is what. I want my YouTube channel to you now just. There's so much thing that trench talk for talk.
True.
Yeah.
So much good things, so much good things.
Yeah.
So much thing. But I put on bad because good come with bad and bad come with good.
Yeah.
So I will make you know, say, yo, see that was the bad part.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, so.
This is the good part.
That's a good part.
Yeah.
You see, so I'm not talking about the bad there.
That one there.
But talk about the natural bad.
Yeah.
But turn good. You see what I'm saying?
Sure.
From this up to here, so.
Oh,
So just want to keep on and support the thing, you know?
yeah, I'll give thanks to the donor them, you know.
Yeah, man, respect, man.
Ring show, right show.
Subscribe to the channel. Give the donation. When I ask them, camera money.
Yeah.
Any little metal make a muckle.
I know Team Grateful.
Team great, anything grateful, you know? The dream team.
One team. Dream team.
One team.
Fancy cat and the place.
Yeah, man.
Oh, and give thanks to the strength. Ali and Adi.
Yeah, man, the general listen, the man above all the thing you see. So we have to give them man them props. You see me, I say, grown up on them road, them man grow in.
Oh, see that?
Yeah, them man the general. Yeah, man, them man the general. Nah, all of the thing.
Man, so the group,
Yeah.
my boys know this. I run up and down.
Till they're bad.
I was there.
Yeah.
One of my friends them not there, but me there.
Yeah.
For real, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So that's how I say, support the thing.
Yeah.
Thanks to the support, keep the sponsor and the donation, and we appreciate every dollar and a cent. That's how I'm saying, that's what I do. For real, you know, just want to let a girl all that's support, man. Who knows? Dream team, but I can help our latest guys.
Sure.
That's it.
When the young guy get on everybody know the 100. You know, they get a one knock and a ton in a two.
Yeah, true.
So, you know, people have to pull on one another help out. So the dream team there,
Yeah.
for help out and put in a help in that.
Yeah.
So bless them up, support, subscribe, everything.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Maximum respect.
For you.
Give thanks. Royal. Fancy cat and the building.
You throw water and run in and it's not on the side.
Yeah. I want to do dance. Yeah, I do dance. Yeah.
Why am I for try and make one?
Yeah.
Shake
One time.
One night. How are you? I watch you when you chase down the cat, man.
The cat man there.
Yeah, man, tired. I forgot to gym, man.
You start doing the exercise today.
Yeah.
Like the exercise and work itself.
Not for you.
I work that talk and the belly still stand up on me, but I'm a certain age, I'm going to tell you love the belly.
Yeah.
But now, look, come on. Yeah, it's a family belly.
Yeah, man.
It's a belly I run in our family.
One pack is not a six
My
pack.
mother, fat, so as quick as even the brother then start and belly.
Blow.
Yeah, so. Father would get teased at school and call my father goat belly. And belly was constantly up, you know.
Nah, brother, no matter you try to get the six pack, be a one pack.
Someone cake this sit up.
One ball.
Good thing about it.
Yeah, well, that's
Let's start a family, you know?
Yeah. Can't stop the family.
Then I watch our neighbor for real, you know?
And it's a dirty people laugh then. You know who that? You know who that?
Sean Paul.
You know Yo, Shaggy.
Yeah, this the pattern. Sharpa, look for me. Hey, look for me, you see how me.
Yeah.
How old are you?
You know how me.
You say I the family man. You say I the body.
Oh, if you look for you and say, tell you something, enough of the list, I'm a jack.
The wrong people, man.
Grab up on the word Ellis like say.
Yeah.
That girl come to me one day. Yeah, you know, some me your cousin, so how comes? My name Ellis, I say, me ain't a cousin, then I IT I look for. Outside, my junior Ellis. Enough of them friends sit up on Facebook all of a sudden. You need hardware, we are cousin. I say, okay, I cousin. Why you say cousin? You can't give me a... They said, Lagos. Yeah, the cousin drop. No, all of a sudden you pick this and you want to buy this. You know, so the cousin part just drop.
Yeah.
Forget about the cousin. We are friend. What we can do, we do. But
Yeah.
I put no cousin pressure upon me. That load that too heavy.
Too heavy.
You know? So they say, I your cousin. Uncle.
Uncle, mother, brother.
Oh, well, you're a brother and a family.
Yeah, follow man.
Yeah, that near.
Yeah, that one they make.
Yeah, that one that near.
That one they
You
make.
know, it's the dream team they had to the good work.
Okay.
Oh,
I will not believe.
better believe.
Remember, proof.
Yeah. Yeah.
One thing.
T-shirt buy. I want the abuse, but stick to the blue.
Yeah. Stick to the blue. There's a no
I'm in
white
the first
blue.
chapter. That's why it has white.
You're a woman, man. You know woman thing, man.
What's written on it? What's that? Something on it or what is that? Bacteria? A bacteria? Oh,
That's a different type.
That's a woman thing, man. Yeah, them are ruling it.
Yeah. Them type different.
that is the next project.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? High step. Next project.
That's it.
Yeah,
I
because
appreciate
someone
it.
else-
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.